Hello my chat partners, welcome back. So today is Thursday. I got me some lounge clothes on, just a lounge shirt and some shorts my mama gave me. I just washed my hair. This is what I washed my hair with, which is the medicated shampoo that I have to use. This is what I washed my hair with. And right now I have in this conditioner, which is the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle. Guys, let me tell you something. My hair is feeling cool and cold, but I like it because maybe it'll help stimulate, stimulate that blood up in my scalp, so maybe start making this hair get thicker up and then grow. I just wanted to come on with you guys. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm getting ready to cook dinner. After I cook dinner, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this conditioner in my hair until I'm done cooking dinner. And then once I'm done cooking dinner, I rinse my hair out, and I think I'm gonna give myself a hot oil treatment. I had thought about doing a hot oil treatment first, then doing a conditioner, but I've done that before. It was a different type of conditioner I used, but I've done a hot oil treatment, then did a conditioner, and when I did that, my hair was dry, so I guess the conditioner soaked up all the oils. So I was like, this time I'll just do the conditioner and then do the hot oil treatment. So I'm getting ready to cook dinner now. So what I'm going to do is make some ground turkey with mushrooms. I'm going to add this gravy to it, and I'm going to make some rice. What I'm going to do is cut up some squash and try to cook that as well. So that's what I think I'm going to have for dinner tonight. Then I'm also going to make my cheesecake. Try to record a weekend vlog of me starting this new self-improvement for Dion, because I really need to get it together. Like, I've been slacking. My mental space hasn't been all that great. It's a lot been going on in my life, and I'm just trying to buckle down, get myself together, get through it. Just plan to push myself to achievement, and just know that whatever storms come my way, I'm gonna get through it. It might not be the outcome that I want. It might not be, the outcome that I wanted, but I'm gonna still get through it. And whatever is given to me, I'm gonna work with it. And that's what we gotta do in life. So guys, okay, so let me get to this cooking. All right. Okay, my chat partners, I'm back. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm getting ready to add this hot oil to my hair and do a hot oil treatment and keep that in my hair for a little while, and then roll my hair up. In the previous clip, you guys saw what I did was I Took just a coffee mug, put some water in there, and put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Let the water get hot. And Princess, you okay? You up here coughing and sneezing? Sorry about that. And then I just set this bottle in there. The hot oil treatment that I'm going to use is a Do Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. And it's this here. And it says promotes thick, strong, healthy hair, thickens and strengthens weak, damaged hair, shea butter, vitamin, and botanical thickeners, tames frizziness and adds shine, helps reduce breakage, allowing hair to grow longer. So I might not rinse it out. I might just put it in there and just let it stay. This, you know what? Why is it coming out like that? Bloop, can we say blooper? It's coming out. So I'm gonna just put it on my scalp. I might just go and rope my hair up. This just keep running out on my glasses. See, this little thing is doing too much. Then I got oil all on my glasses. Yeah, it's still, what is this? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this oil, but it keeps squirting out. I'm gonna stop. That's enough that I got in there. And I'm gonna just massage my scalp with what I put in there. That little bottle just got, I don't know, maybe I wasn't supposed to put it in hot water. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? Oh, that little bottle just was not working with me. Then it got oil all over my glasses, and then some got in my eye or something. So yeah, guys, so what I'm getting ready to do now is just roll my hair up. I was going to roll it up with these rollers. I ain't gonna be able to sleep. That's gonna hurt. So I'm gonna use my little sponge. It'll work out better, I think. Anyway, for me. And then it's wet too, so hopefully my hair come out decent and look like something it should. So I got my little hair rollers in here, y'all. So I'll be to sleep tonight, and it should dry. I think they should be dry in the morning by the time I get ready to go to work. It's probably like, I guess 9 something at night or something like that. So it should be dry by the time I get ready to go to work or whatever. But yeah, just something simple, and even if it don't be dry all the way when I take it to loose, at least it be a little curl and it be a little style. But yeah, guys, I didn't do much with this vlog. Just a little something. It wasn't much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I've just been going through a lot lately. A lot been going on, and my recording kind of slack. But you know what? I'm getting back into the groove of things and getting things back up and running, getting myself together. And I'm going to keep pushing. And I want you guys to keep pushing, okay? Let's keep pushing together. Well, guys, I'm getting ready to go ahead and end this video. I hope everyone have a great weekend, a great week. I just hope everybody have a great rest of the year. Just be safe. I hope just any goals or dreams you have, that they come true. If it's something positive, just know we can improve ourselves every day, every second of the day. We don't gotta be like, oh, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, this and this and that. We can always improve ourselves, because at the end of the day, we always have to be our biggest cheerleader. And that's something that I'm learning for myself, and that's something that you all should learn for yourself. And always know a peace of mind is the greatest thing in the world. Okay, guys, always remember you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.